program, and that is on e-marketing in horticulture sector by Dr. J. Raghavendra Rao sir. And he sir is presently working as principal scientist in agricultural extension at the Division of Social Sciences and Training, ICAR, IIHR, Karnataka, Bangalore. And now sir is here with us. And we have attended sir sessions also. They were very interactive and very entertaining sessions also. And I hope you will enjoy the session and cooperate with the sir. And sir, here are our participants. They are representing Telangana, Odisha and Karnataka, sir. All are horticulture officials and they are 20 in numbers. Over to you, sir.
Okay. So, అందరికీ నమస్కారము. తెలంగాణ ఆఫీసర్స్కి कर्नाटक ऑफिसर्स के लिए स्वागत सुस्वागत. वरिया आई डोंट नो, सो हिंदी में आप सब लोगों का स्वागत करते हुए आज का सेशन आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द स्क्रीन. जस्ट अ मिनट. आर यू एबल टू सी माय स्क्रीन, सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We are
okay.
seeing.
Yeah, you are seeing my screen. That's my PPT. So we will. 1 minute. Participants. Didi, told it. So, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों, so Shri Shikhar, where is that this one, man? More actions. So I want this parchments on the left side and this on the right side. Okay. Okay. So friends, we are able to see my screen. Okay, I'll also see this one. Okay, so
Sir.
yeah.
Sir.
Yeah,
ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬಟನ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವ್ಯೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು. ಸರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಐತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುರ್ಚುಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
ಶೋ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಂಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೆದು ನಾನು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಈಗ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಹುಲ್ಗೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಸರಿನಾ?
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
ओके, सो मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, ओडिशा के आए हुए बागवानी अधिकारियों को स्वागत है मेरे तरफ से. मैं डॉक्टर वीके जयराघवेंद्र राव, प्रधान वैज्ञानिक कृषि विस्तार, भारतीय बागवानी अनुसंधान संस्थान में काम करता हूं और मैं यहाँ सोशल साइंस विभाग में हेड का काम कर रहा हूं और यहाँ आके 3 साल हुई है मुझे. और इसके पहले मैं नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च मैनेजमेंट में मैं 20 साल काम किया. उसके पहले 10 साल. टोटली आई एम 58 years old now. Okay, I have 35 years of ICR experience, and then before that I was working in the Gramina Bank as a manager, Vijaya Bank field officer. I also worked in the Department of Agriculture in 1985. So many of you were not born. So ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸೊ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕಾ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಇವನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್
ಇದೆ. AHO ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ, AHO ఇದ್ದಾರೆ. సరే, దెన్ తెలంగాణ నుంచి వచ్చిన మా ఉద్యాన పంటల అధికారులకి స్వాగతము సుస్వాగతము. నేను 4 భాషలు మాట్లాడగలను. నా ఆవిడ షీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ నంద్యాల్. ఓకే, షీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. అందుకే నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చు. నేను ಕನ್ನಡದವನು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವನು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ, అందుకే నాకు కన్నడ తెలుసు. సో హిందీ నా రాష్ట్ర భాష. ఓకే, నా అమ్మ హిందీ టీచర్గా ఉండేది. सो आई नो हिंदी, मुझे हिंदी भी पता है और इंग्लिश तो पता ही है. सो ಟುಡೇ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ?
ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ,
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್, e-marketing in horticulture sector. See, many of my friends, they have come from Karnataka. So I'll be giving you many examples of Karnataka, how Karnataka is a leader in doing e-horticulture, especially in the post-corona. Okay, ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂದೊಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಯಿತು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕುರುಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಇನ್ e-horticulture ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, I'll just show you that paper. It's somewhere here only. So for the kind attention of the participants, recently Kurukshetra magazine alli page number 42 ನಾವು ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ e-marketing strategies done in horticulture, and this is what we have published the paper, myself, Dr. Venkat Kumar, Dr. Gajanan. So I will be taking many examples from that. ఇప్పుడు అందరికీ తెలిసిన విషయం ఇది. ఈ రోజుల్లో కరోనా వచ్చాక ఓకే అందరూ ఫార్మ్ అండ్ హోమ్ విజిట్, ఇంటింటికి పోయి అలాంటి ఉద్యాన పంటల ఒక సంవహన క్రియ కానీ ఒక ప్రసరణ క్రియ మనం చేయలేము. ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు గో ఫార్మ్ అండ్ హోమ్ అండ్ దెన్ డూ దట్ సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రతి ఒక్క మనిషి కూడా, हर आदमी आज व्हाट्सएप का इस्तेमाल करता है, सोशल मीडिया का इस्तेमाल करता है, मोबाइल ऐप्स का इस्तेमाल करता है. ಸೊ ಇವన్నీ అందరికీ తెలిసిన ವಿಷಯವು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಯಾರೋ ರೈತರಾಗಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಒಂದೊಂದು ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮನೆ ದೂರ ದೂರ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಒಂದು 5-6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಮಹೇಶ್, ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ADH ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ, శిరీషకు అది ఇంటర్నెట్ పోయింది. జస్ట్ ఎ మినిట్, ఐఎమ్ కనెక్టింగ్. మగనే सबको दोबारा स्वागत है. मैं अनम्यूट किया हूं. आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन. देखिए. ओके, शैल वी स्टार्ट सर?
ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ರಿ? ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈಗ
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ. ಈಗ
ಸರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಮ, ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಶೇರ್.
One minute. ಹಾ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ 1 ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ
ಸರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅದು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅದು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾವು. ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟು. ಮೋರ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇತ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಅದು. ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅದು. ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರ
ಬಂದೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ
ಸರ್? ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು,
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಈಗ ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ವಿಂಡೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ, ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ let us talk about market-led extension and how to use the e-marketing in horticulture. This is the whole class. Okay, so what are the decisions to be taken in e-marketing? ಈಗ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಕಾ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ ಅರ್ಕಾ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇನ್ IIHR. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ is also available on Google Play Store. So then we are having Arka Bhagwani anta ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇದೆ IIHRದು. So we are having a lot of apps. So how this e-horticulture has taken place? Why e-horticulture is very important? Because everybody cannot move to places and give that farm and home visit. See, one visit will cost you not less than 5,000 rupees of taxi fare per day. It is a very costly affair. Therefore, we do not want to do those things. We want to use e-extension and reach a large number of people in horticulture. Because in horticulture, the farms are spread, very widespread. See, today our horticulture production is 330 million metric tons, coming from just about 80 million hectares of area, and it has surpassed the agriculture production. So now, in a marketed extension, so especially the e-horticulture sector, a farmer wants to know where he will get, especially market information. Where is the price? Yelli bele sigute. Okay, kahan bechna hai? Yakada ammali? Okay, eppudu ammali? Yak storage ekkada cheyali? Godown ekkada undi? So all these things, I think the Orissa people will also understand a little bit of Telugu, because suddenly, I try to cover in 3 languages, but if I am continuing in one language, you should understand. I think even Kannada is not difficult, my dear Warrior friends. We have a station at Bhubaneswar. So we have all our Warrior people there. Our DG himself is a Warrior person, Dr. Trilochan Mahapatraji. He is also my batchmate. We all belong to the ARS 1990 batch. So now, that is how the e-horticulture is going to take place. So, DSS and DTS. DSS means Decision Support System. DTS means Decision Taking System. See, for example, Ola and Uber are also mobile apps. They take the decision. See, once when you say that you want to move from Rajendra Nagar to Koti, and you click, it will only search all the vehicles, it will take the phone number of that person. So, it will take a decision on your behalf. Decision support means only this static internet. You go to AgriSnet, you go to any portal, you go on browsing, that is called as a decision support system. You should be very, very careful in understanding. Okay, Amazon is actually a decision taking system. We do a lot of purchases in Amazon. Then Arka Bhagwani is a decision support system. So, for example, So now the entire ICT process, the market chain in horticulture crop. So what is that a farmer wants? He wants production information, he wants pre-production contract farming information, where he can sell, where he can, at what time he has to harvest, especially in horticulture crops like dragon fruit, avocado. You know, you are not very sure about the maturity indices. People make a lot of mistakes. See, suppose if avocado is harvested, my Karnataka friends will tell you, we have a lot of avocados here. If you harvest it immaturely, it will never ripe. You know, and definitely there are some fruits which will ripe on the tree and some fruit which will ripe only after harvest. For example, mango is there, it ripes on the tree. Avocado will never ripe on the tree. After harvesting only it ripes. So similarly, dragon fruit can ripe on the plant itself. On the it looks like cactus plant, so it ripens. So like that, you should be very careful. You should use ICT to give this sort of information. Today people are making WhatsApp groups. They are communicating a lot of FPOs. Yesterday I had a lecture about rejuvenating farmer producer organizations. So in Chikbalapur we have this Amaranarayana horticulture produce FPO, which is serviced by IAHR. And our Department of Horticulture, we have a lot of ADH and all. They also very closely work with IAHR, and also they work with FPOs. And majority of them are using only ICTs. They make WhatsApp groups, they make FPOs, FIG, WIG, SIG. FIG, WIG, SIG means what? Farmer interest group, commodity interest group, women interest group. So this is how in horticulture we do, especially in horticulture extension. Let me tell you, I conducted a program for Manage just last month. It was called as horticulture extension. So I am just telling you how horticulture extension is totally different than agriculture extension. In horticulture, without value addition, without processing, without handling, there is no horticulture. I think you all know about it. So if I ask 25 of you, what is the difference between vegetables and fruits? I am sure half of you will not tell. The difference between vegetable and fruit is, all the fruits are a little bit acidic in nature. This is what Dr. What is his name? He was our Kirti Singh. You know, he was the SRB chairman. He had come to NARM once. So he is an horticulturist. So he was telling, come on boys, tell me what is the difference between fruits and vegetables. So people did not have, then if somebody told fruits are sweet, vegetables are not sweet. Then I said, come on, shut up. Because watermelon is sweet, but watermelon is classified as a vegetable because it's taken care by the vegetable division at IAHR. So because they are basic in nature, the pH is above 7 in case of vegetables, whereas in case of fruits, the pH is less than 5 or less than 6. So therefore, all those things with low pH are classified as fruits, all those with higher pH are classified as vegetables. For example, potato is having above pH 7.5 to 8, so it is called as a vegetable. So I think you know all many of these things. So when I apply the e-marketing and e-horticulture part of things, I want to know the harvesting date, I want to know where the inputs are available, where the nursery, where it is available, okay, all those issues they want. See, everybody cannot give a tutorial for everyone. See, today, if you want to navigate from somewhere, you have to put the Google map, you have to, and you know, somebody would have shared a mobile number to you, and if you want to meet our SADH or horticulture officers, okay, so they would have given you a number. Everything works on mobile number. If your mobile charge is off, you are gone. That's all. So most of them are organized by cell phone. Real-time market also is done by phones. Okay, visits are very costly, so nobody should do a visit. At the most, you can give an SMS and these sort of things. Okay. So now you simply go to the Google Play Store, type horticulture app. You will get 1,000 horticulture apps. I am going to discuss some of them here. Okay, see, we ourselves have got, apart from Arka Bagwani, we have got horticulture crop cultivation is one app, Disha, okay, so many are there. See, you name it, you have it. Now, for fruit crop there is separate. So like that, lot of apps are there. I told you Amazon is also one app, and it's available both on the internet and as well as on the mobile. So we say Amazon is a decision taking system. So your mobile app or your e-marketing, what is taking place in horticulture, okay, with Reliance Fresh, Big Basket, many of them take their own decisions, and they will also tell the both the customers and from the source material. See, suppose, my Shiva Prasad, who is SADH, suppose he has organized seed production. So you will know that where in Rani Bennur, where exactly the seed is available, how many quantities available, what is the produce available. Similarly, our Arka Vyapar app also does the same thing. For example, OLX, it is a buying and selling app. Okay, this is again a decision taking system. Okay, so like that, you go each and every app. Okay, it should take minimum information and give out maximum information and help the farmer. See, once upon a time, when there were no mobiles, you can imagine when there was no radio, TV and all that, how people were transferring the technology when the extension system itself is less than 100 years old. So today we say not just ICT and E extension, today we say it is M extension, mobile extension. If you cannot do anything on a mobile, you are out of business. That's how it works. So these are the various apps you will be seeing in horticulture. Okay, you simply upload your photo, register, authenticate yourself. Okay, and then you will also know what is the rate and how, where it's available and so on. So Agri Bazaar is another app. Okay, it will help both buying and selling. Same thing, registration process, another things in horticulture and agri. Adama has again come out with another app. These are all available on the Google Play Store. The issue what we are telling is, I am not here to tell how many apps are there. Sirisha has not called me for this class to tell you what are the mobile apps. The issue we are going to discuss now. Yeah. Is it audible, sir? I think Madhavi, is it audible? Amma Virupakshi. Okay. Sirisha ji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right.
Sir, yes, sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
So the purpose here is not to tell about how many mobile apps are there. The purpose here is to say that how to use these apps. Everybody may have a car. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. అందరి దగ్గర కార్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, కార్ ఉంటుంది, మొబైల్ ఉంటుంది. దేనికి ఉపయోగించాలో తెలీదు. చాలా మంది స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ వస్తుంది ఫోను. सो मैंने सबका मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ है और व्हाट्सएप नहीं यूज़ करते हो और ऐप्स का डाउनलोड नहीं करते हो, तो मोबाइल किस लिए रखे हो? सो नाउ टुडेज क्लास, especially the e-horticulture, I told you, Corona आने के बाद people have started using more. See, even without a personal visit, our horticulture production is at 330 million metric tons. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That means people have used ICT, people have used the e-horticulture. That's why today the e-horticulture, the horticulture production is more than agriculture production. But only thing is, we don't have value addition. We don't have an established supply chain. We don't have the value chain. Therefore, lot of glut is occurring, especially in horticulture. You have to go for value addition, the FPO approach, and your agri-business planning unit. And that's how you have to market. You cannot simply come to the road and say tomato 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ lot of my Karnataka ADHs are here. Why we are promoting FPO, ICT and all that? So that farmers don't come to the road in Kolar and throw the tomato and go. We don't want anybody to come and sell it on the road. Already the linkages and marketing linkages should have occurred through the mobile phone. Already a pre-harvesting contract has to be made, and both the contract farming can be made for the input side, for the production side, and the output marketing, a pre-harvested contract. The same thing is happening in mango. So only these vegetables and all that, people are not able to establish the market linkages, which is quite weak. So therefore the ICT in horticulture and e-marketing is taking. Adama, I told you example. There's another app. There's another app called the Farmers e-Market. So it is a procurement app. So farmers can register on this and sell their produce. See, the rate is already written here. 6 mm to 7 mm cardamom, 1,800 rupees per kilo. Papaya, red lady papaya, 13 rupees kilo. So the rates are available. Even our Arka Vyapar app, I'll show you. Same thing you can download from Google Play Store, see it. Organic vegetables, it is having a niche market. So today, when you subscribe for Super Daily, Big Basket, OTP Express, okay, and these are some of the things, and you have a Royal Mart, and there are so many other apps. Big Bazaar is also another app. So everybody markets like this. Nobody will, when I was a small boy, ಈ ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ ತರಕಾರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬರೋರು ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಮೈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾ ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನು ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಚಪಾತಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ದಂಟಿನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅರವೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಪುದೀನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಡೈಲಿ 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ತಂದು ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
ನಿಜ ಸರ್.
So what I told my Kannada friends is, when myself and the Shiv Kumar and all my Kannada ADH boys, they may be younger to me, they may not be even 40 years, 45 years. When we were young, in front of our house, they used to come. Yele chakatin sappu, dantin sappu, arve sappu, pudina. People used to shout like that. So my father said, hey, avana bandida hogo, kotamri sappu iskamba hoga. So people were marketing like that. Today nobody markets like that. It's all silent marketing through e-marketing. Everything it takes place on the app. Payment is made by Google Pay or Phone Pay. Money is transferred, and you keep a bag in front of your flat or house. He will come and put the vegetables neatly packed, and then that's the end of it. So this is how it goes. Farmers e-market. Apida also has got an app. So Apida will tell you about all the export issues. It can tell you this is the Agriculture Produce Export Development Authority. Especially when you want organic product certification. Apida is the only agency which can do certification, and then when you get a license for that, you can even send your fruits and vegetables abroad. So now, India Mart, another e-effort, okay. Then look at this, I have registered in India Mart. You can search the product, pay. All these things are very common. See, and virtually you can actually see all these things. ಈಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ತೋತಾಪುರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇದು ಅರ್ಕ ಉದಯ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಮ್ರಪಾಲಿ ಏನು ಯಾವನಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಸೊ when we are young, people don't know the difference between varieties. At least my ADHs who are sitting here, they will tell you Arka Uday exactly looks like it's a cross between Neelam, okay, Dasheri, and 4 parents are used, quadruple cross. Whereas Amrapali is a cross between Neelam and Dasheri. So absolutely very good keeping quality. So I keep Amrapali and Arka Uday even for 1.5 months ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ. ಕೆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟು. So Amrapali and Arka Uday are extremely good keeping quality up to 1.5 months. It won't rot, no spots. See, you should buy all that. Then especially Kesar Alfonso in and around Maharashtra and all, it is there, very costly fruits. So you cannot afford to miss even a single fruit. So, and all these things are available, see, along with photo, okay, in the e-marketing, e-horticulture sector. So otherwise, grapes marketing, let me tell you, I think Sirisha must have experienced it. Nana, Sirisha.
సార్
ఇప్పుడు మనము కోటి దగ్గర మనము ద్రాక్ష పండు కొనాలంటే ఆయన ఏం చేస్తుండంటే, ఇప్పుడు ముంగట మంచిది పెట్టింటాడు, ముంగట ఆ లోపలన్నీ కూలిపోయిన ద్రాక్ష పెట్టింటాడు. కరెక్టా తప్ప చెప్పురి?
ఓకే సార్, ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్.
ఇప్పుడు మేదీపట్నంలో నేను చాలా సారి కొన్నాను. ఆయన ఏం చేస్తాడు, ముంగట మంచి గ్రేప్స్ పెడతాడు, డాక్టర్ సాబ్ ఆవో ఆవో అంటాడు. నేను చెప్తాను, ఏంట్రా ఇక్కడ ముంగట చూస్తున్న ద్రాక్ష పండు అంటే అక్కడ లోపల కూలిపోయింది ఇస్తాడు. అలాంటి అన్నీ ఇట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్. బట్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఈ మార్కెటింగ్లో ఏదైనా కూల్ పాయింట్, ఇఫ్ సమ్ రాటన్ స్టఫ్ ఇస్ దేర్, యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్. రిటర్న్ పాలసీ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మా ఫ్రెండ్ గారు మేదీపట్నంలో షేక్ గాడో ఎవరితోనైనా నేను తీసుకుంటే వాపస్ తీసుకుంటాడా శిరీష?
No, sir, no.
తీసుకోడు. That fellow will not take it back. So
Yeah,
these are
yes,
all
sir.
some of the advantages, when you do e-marketing, especially horticulture sector. You should have transparency and give a good quality fruit, no paclobutrazol. ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಏನು ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಲೋಬ್ಯೂಟ್ರಜಾಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಲೋಬ್ಯೂಟ್ರಜಾಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ನಿ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ e-marketing in horticulture sector will help transparency. Return policy will be there. You can give it back. Okay, and the refund will be made instantaneously. So in the earlier days, without all that, we are fighting. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಬಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀನೇ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬೋಯ್ತಾನ ಅವನು. ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್? ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೌದು, ಬೈತಾನ ಅವನು. ಈಗ ಯಾವನ ನೀನು ಕೊಳ್ತಾಗಿರೋ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ತೂ ಅಂತ ಉಗಿತಾನ ಅವನು ಅಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ this e-horticulture e-issues. So e-farming, even goat farm, fish, non-veg ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so Agri Bazaar, we have Adama, I told you. So we have already told. Iga now मैंने एक छोटी सी poem लिखी थी. See, when I was in Narma, I wrote this poem. See, आत्मनिर्भर भारत, स्वावलंबन भारत, हमारा मोदी जी हमेशा बोलते रहते हैं. सो मैंने ये पोएम लिखा है, आपके लिए पढ़ता हूँ. मेरा गांव मेरा गौरव, तेरा काम मिलेगी दाम, करेंगे मेहनत दिखाएंगे जन्नत. So let us be very transparent. For those who don't understand Hindi, ఇది నా పల్లెటూరు, ఇది నా దేశము, నాకు గౌరవం ఉండాలి, నేను మీకు మంచి ధర వచ్చే వరకు నేను నిద్రపోను, ఉత్పాదకత ఒకటే కాదు, ఓకే, మాకు రాబడి కూడా ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి. ఇది పచ్చి తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇನು, ನನ್ನ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ, ನಿನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೇಟ್ಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ತನಕ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ದುಡಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಜ್ಞಾನ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಭಿಯಾನ್ಸೆ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. నేను నీకు సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానం ఇచ్చి నేను ఆదుకుంటాను. ఓకే, దూర్ హోంగే తెరా ముష్కిల్, బనేంగే తుజే కాబిల్, నిన్ను ఒక స్వశక్త రైతుగా నేను మార్చుతాను. मैं आपको एक आत्मनिर्भर स्वावलंबी कृषक बनाने की प्रयास में मैं हूँ. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಥನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣಪ್ಪ ರಂಗಣ್ಣ. ಕೇಳು, ನಾನು ಇರೋದೇ ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ನಾನು IAHR ಭಾರತೀಯ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನಾಗಿವ್ನಿ. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಬತ್ತಾ ಇವ್ನಿ. ನೀ ಓಡ್ಲಾ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಾ ಬತ್ತಿ ನಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಜಬ್ ತಕ್ रहेगी कम, चैन की नींद न सोएंगे हम. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೇಟ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗೋ ಗಂಟ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಉಮೀದೋ ಕಿ ಸೂರತ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಹೇ ಚಾರೋ ಓರ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಕಣ್ಲ. ಅಪಿಡಾ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಜ್ಯೂಸು ಜಾಮು ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಬರೀ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೀದಿನಾಗ ಎಸಿಬೇಡ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್. FPO ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು, ಕಮಾಡಿಟಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ग्रुप ನೀನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. सो आप सिग विग फिग और FPO बना के ऐसा एक कृषि विपणन और कृषि व्यापार करो. इसका यही उद्देश्य है. ये जो सेक्टर हार्टिकल्चर में प्लेटफॉर्म्स विज्ञान दिखाएगा नया दौर. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ನಿನಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಆಟೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ఓడాడಬೇಡ. నువ్వు దయచేసి ఒక అమ్మడానికి ఒక మంచి ధర వచ్చిన చోటుకి పోవడానికి నువ్వు పరిగెత్తే ఆస్కారం లేదు. అన్ని మొబైల్ ఫోన్ ద్వారా నువ్వు చేయవచ్చును అని చెప్తూ బదిలేగి దునియా సారి లేలో సుజావ్ హమారి. అంటే మా ఉపదేశాన్ని తీసుకో, మా సలహాన్ని తీసుకో, అందుబాటులో పెట్టుకో, సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానంని పెట్టుకో. మంచి ధర వచ్చే వరకు నిద్రపోవద్దు. మంచి ధర పచ్చి కూరగాయలు అమ్మితేనే రాదు, కొద్ది వాల్యూ అడిషన్ కూడా ఉండాలా. కొద్ది జాము జల్లి కూరగాయలు ఇవన్నీ FPO ద్వారా నువ్వు చేయి. బిగ్ బాస్కెట్ దీంతో లింకులు పెట్టుకో. వీధిలో వచ్చి టమాటోలు విసిరితే నీకు 50 పైసలు కూడా రావయ్యా. సో అటువంటి ఒక వ్యాపారాన్ని నువ్వు చెయ్యొద్దు. తూ హమారా అన్నదాత ఔర్ ఇస్ దేశ్ కా విధాత. ఏంటయ్యా అతిమైన విపర్యాసం అంటే ఈ దేశంలో 330 మిలియన్ టన్స్ చేసిన ఉద్యాన పంట కృషకులకు ధర లేదు, సాఫ్ట్వేర్కి ధర ఉంది, రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ ప్రైసెస్ పెరుగుతూనే ఉంది. ఎంత కరోనా వచ్చినా ఒక రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ సైటుల ధరలు ఇళ్ళ ధరలు ఏం తగ్గట్లేదు. కానీ ఉద్యాన పంటలకి కృషి పంటలకి ఎందుకయ్యా ఈ ఒక విపర్యాసము ఒక निरायासमु అని చెప్పేస్తూ सो मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ, गौरव है मेरे गांव पर जो बनी है मजबूत आधार हम पर. सो इसीलिए इस कवन का ये तात्पर्य है मेरे मित्रों कि आप ई यानी ई या एम प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज़ करो, मोबाइल को ज़्यादा तरह से यूज़ करो और बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स एम प्लेटफॉर्म से आप इसका विपणन करो. सो नेशनल ई नाम, ओके, नेशनल एग्रीकल्चर मार्केट, मंडी प्राइजेस, you can know price registration, buyer agent can be contacted. So Andhra Pradesh commodity exchanges, enrolled mandis. Ibadu ee naam ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇನ ಆರ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಾಮ್ ಇನ್ 2 places. Rest is all that electronic market, we have a different thing. Next, సో మండీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. బోవెన్పల్లిలో ఎంత రేటు ఉంది, దేవరకద్ర. ఓకే, మేడం శిరీష మేడం కూడా దేవరకొండ అని పేరు పెట్టుకుండింది. బికాస్ దట్ హీరో వాజ్ దేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ హీరోస్ నేమ్? ఆయన కూడా ఏదో దేవరకొండ కదా, ఆయన పేరేంటి? అర్జున్
విజయ్ దేవరకొండ సార్.
ఏ దేవరకొండ ఆయన?
సార్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ.
విజయ్ తెరుగు. ఈ మా శిరీష చెల్లమ్మ అన్న ఉండొచ్చు ఆయన కూడా. సేమ్ నేమ్ చూడిరి, Sirisha Devarkonda పేరు పెట్టింది. ఓకే, సో నౌ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ది మండీ ప్రైజెస్. గడ్డి అన్నారంలో ఉంది. సో మెనీ ప్లేసెస్ ఓకే యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ది మండీ ప్రైజ్ వస్తుంది. తెలంగాణలో గుడి మల్కాపూర్లో ఏముండదు, చిట్యాల్లో ఎంత ఉంది. సో కూర్చున్న చోటలోనే చేయాలి. ಬ್ಯಾಟೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹುಡುಗರು ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ AD ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಯಾವನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ
ಸರ್? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸರ್,
ಎಲ್ಲವನು ಮೊಬೈಲೇ. ಈಗ ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದ?
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್, ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್. ಈಗ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಗೀತು ಅವ್ರ ಕತೆ. ಅವರು ಫೋನ್ ಓದ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. This Shiva Prasad ADH cannot sleep and he cannot switch off the phone because farmers ದಂಗೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ so our mobiles cannot be switched off. We are all extension workers, horticulture extension workers ನಾವು. ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಿವು
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆನ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ. ఆటోమేటిక్ సెట్ ಮಾಡಿವ್ನೆ. నేను మా శివప్రసాద్ గారితో ఏం చెప్పానంటే, నేను ఒక ఉద్యాన పంటల అధికారిని, నేను ఒక విస్తరణ అధికారిని. నేను 7 గంటలకి మొబైల్ ఆన్ చేస్తా అండ్ 11 గంటలకి ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది. అది ఆటోమేటిక్ పెట్టాను, నేనేం బటన్ నొక్కా. मेरे मित्रों, मैंने मेरा मोबाइल फ़ोन सुबह 7 बजे ऑन होती है और रात 11 बजे बंद होती है. सो ये किसानों की सेवा के लिए आप भी ऐसा करो और पूरा प्राइजेस जानकारी व्हाट्सएप में डालो, फोटो भी डालो. ಈಗ ಹೊಸದೊಂದು ಆಗಿದಲ್ರಿ ಶಿವು, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗಚಂದ್ರ ತಾವ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರೋದು, ನಾನು 8ನೇ ಮೈಲಿ ತಾವಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ APMC ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮಾಕ್ಳಿ ತಾವ ಆಗದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೆಲಮಂಗ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ದಾರಿನಾಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ APMC ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ APMC ಅಂಡ್ ಮಂಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ADH, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಿ ರೇಟ್. ರೈತರಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ADH AH ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತದ? ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದು ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಓಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತದೆ.
రేట్ అయితే ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೇಟ್ అయితే ఎస్
సి నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు రైతులకి మా శివప్రసాద్ గారు ఏడియచ్చో ఆయన డైరెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ హార్టికల్చర్ ఆయనకి తెలీదు. ఫోన్ కొడతాడు, ఫోన్ చేసి సార్ ఈరోజు బీన్స్ ఏం రేట్ ఉంది సారు అని అడుగుతాడు. అప్పుడు చెప్పాలా వద్దా? చెప్పాలి. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್. ఇప్పుడు ಈಗ ಶಿವು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು 10-15 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ದಿನಾ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು, ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬೈತಾಳೆ, ಏನ್ರಿ ನೀವು 24 ಗಂಟೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾರಿಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಫೋನ್ ತೂ ಅಂತ ಉಗಿತಾಳೆ. ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು 5-6 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಒಂದು ತಿಪ್ಟೂರು ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಗ್ರೋವರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೊಮೆಟೊದು ಐತೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. NGOಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, we are members of 10-15 WhatsApp group. You won't believe, early morning when I was a small boy, Shiva Prasad also was a small boy, our parents used to say, hey, ಬೆಳಗಾಗೆದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದರೆ, they were opening the hand and they were telling, ಕರಾಗ್ರೆ ವಸತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ ಶಿವು?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಕರಮೂಲೆ ಗೌರಿ
ಕರದರ್ಶನ ಅಂತಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಬೆಳಗಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್,
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಕಣ್ಣ, ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರಮೂಲೆ ಸ್ಥಿತ ಗೌರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವನು ಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೂಜೆ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾರ ದೇವ್ರ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅತ್ತಗೆ ಅಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೇ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಡೈಲಿ. ಸೊ suppose today I wanted to cancel my milk order, you can cancel it within 8 hours. So next day you won't get milk. Earlier days what they will say, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಲು, ನೀನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತಿದ್ರು, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋರು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್. ಸಿ ನಾವು ದ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ 2 fronts. ಏನ್ರಿ ಶಿವು, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್. ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಶಿವು? ಈಗ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ఇన్పుట్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఆల్సో వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్. ఎక్కడ ఎరువులు తక్కువ ధరకు వస్తుంది, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఏమైనా ఇస్తుడా లేదా, లేకపోతే చౌటుప్పల్ మార్కెట్లో ఏం ధర ఉంది. ఓకే, నేను శిరీష మేడం ఫోన్ చేస్తే ఆమె ఏమైనా కూరగాయల రేటు చెప్తారా. సో ఇవన్నీ చూడాలి కదా మనం. సో ఇవన్నీ ఈ యాప్ ద్వారా అవుతుంది. దెన్ ఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రూట్స్ వి ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్. అర్కా బాగ్వానీ ఇది మా IHR డెవలప్ చేసిన ఒక మొబైల్ యాప్. ఇది తర్వాత అర్కా వ్యాపారం కూడా మనది ఒక యాప్ ఉంది, మనం డెవలప్ చేసింది చూపిస్తాను. ఒక నేషనల్ హార్టికల్చర్ ఫేర్, రాష్ట్రీయ ఉద్యాన పంట ఒక సమ్మె జరుగుతుంది ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ IHRలా. సో ఇవన్నీ వి యూజ్ ది మొబైల్స్ అండ్ వీడియోస్ యూట్యూబ్లో పెట్టినాము. సో యూ గెట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ इन्फॉर्मेशन. सी लेट मी टेल यू मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आज सुबह से शाम तक यूट्यूब देखो, व्हाट्सएप देखो, इंटरनेट देखो और आधा आपकी तसल्ली हो जाएगी और आपको ज्ञान, विज्ञान और परिशोधन का समाचार की सूची आपको मोबाइल पे मिल जाएगी. So this is how we do it. And then what is the time? Yeah. So everywhere you have this contact, mobile apps for farmers. Farmers handbook is also available. Okay, it's available on the internet. So ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಯಾರೂ ಸರ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೇನ್ರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಮೊದ್ಲು ಯಾವ್ದಾನ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಐತೆ, ಕಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ and me we are discussing is earlier days when I started my career as agriculture officer in 1985, all of you were not born. Maybe the Sirisha girl also was not born. So at that time I used to go and do farmer home visit. I will go to every village and farmer. Nowadays you go to farmer, already he has seen internet, he has seen, he says, sir, what is that NPK Coromandel wala 53, 18, 17, 30 ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So he is already knowing many things. But what farmer wants is hand holding for market. Yes or no?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ,
ಸರ್.
ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಚಾರ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಗಾದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ ತಾತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಬಡಿ ಮಕ್ಳು, ಅವನ್ಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕು,
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಬಡಿ ಮಕ್ಳು ಯಾವನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ಕದ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಪುರಾಣ ಊದ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಕೊಳಲಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಊದ್ದ, ಅವನು ಅಡ್ಡಡ್ಡ ಉದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಪುಂಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
ನಿಜ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಂದಾಗದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಸೆಂಟ್ ಐತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದವನು. ನಾನು ಒರಿಜಿನಲಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸೀಮೆಯವನು. ಅದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಟಾಟಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು.
ಓಹೋ, ನೈಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನಾನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗೆ
ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್
ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸೀಮೆಯವನ್ರಿ ಸರ. ನಂದು ವಿಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕುಬೇರ್ ಜಯರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ. ನಾ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸೀಮೆ ಮಂದಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಈ ಶಿವಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಭಾಷೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಸರ್ ನಂದು.
ಊರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದೆ ತೂ ಅಂತ ಉಗಿಯಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕೆ? అట్టే అట్టే. సో మిత్రులారా, నేను ఏం చెప్పానంటే, శిరీష మేడం మీరు వినురి. ఇప్పుడు మా కృషి విస్తరణలో ఏమైపోయిందంటే, ఉద్యాన పంటల విస్తరణలో అన్నీ చెప్తారు, ధర మాత్రం చెప్పరు. నీకు ఎంత రేట్ దొరుకుతుందిరా బాయ్ తెలీదు, నీకు అదేం కట్టరా తెలీదు, నీకేం తెలుసురా బాయ్. అదేదో ఒక అనగనగా ఒక రోజు సినిమాలో అలా ఉంది. అండ్ టింగ్ 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 అని ఆ విలన్ అడుగుతాడు, పరేష్ రావల్ విలన్ను. ఇది ఏ పాట చెప్పరండి, తెలియదు సార్ అంటాడు. చెప్ ఏక్ దో తీన్ అంటాడు ఆయన. సో రైతులు దే వాంట్ मार्केट इन्फॉर्मेशन. कृषक को क्या चाहिए? अरे भाई दाम कितनी मिलती है, वो उसके बिना बाकी सब बोलता है हमारा हार्टिकल्चर अफसर. पूरा उसको भाषणबाजी करता है, भगवत गीता पढ़ाता है, सब कुछ करता है. चला रेट कितना मिलता है पता नहीं. यही तो लास्ट एंड मिसिंग लिंक है. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. IHR सीट पोर्टल ये भी ऑनलाइन हो गया है. ओके, यू विल गेट ऑल दी. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೋನಾ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿವು
ಸರ್
ಕರೋನಾ ಆದಾಗ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಈ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ರೈತರು ಸತ್ತೇ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಬಡಿ ಮಕ್ಳು ರೈತರು ಏನ್ ಸಾಯ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ದು 330 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಟನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ರ, ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಈಸ್, people thought that after corona production will decrease. No, only the service sector was affected. People lost jobs in the cities. Agriculture and horticulture is intact, and all our E&M marketing platforms have done their jobs. So we have 330 million metric tons. Okay, record production. We don't know how to do value addition and how to do marketing. That is the missing link. So many apps are there. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ US ನವ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಅವ್ರ ಆಲಮ್ನಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರು. ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಜನ. ಈ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಮುಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ ಬಾ, ಏನು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈವನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೋನಾ, ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಶಿವ, ಈ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು IHR ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅವಕಾಡೋ ಬಟರ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸುಮ್ಕೆ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮ್ಗದು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ನಿ.
ಹೌದೌದು.
There are so many horticulture crops. Bloody, you only know how to eat. You don't know how to process it. There is no technology. I am telling you. That is the problem where, all our M platforms and E platforms should put all the processes on YouTube. How to process, okay, that passion fruit ಇರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ ನಮ್ದು ಕಾವೇರಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ ಶಿವು
ಸರ್
ಕಾವೇರಿ
ಸರ್
ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಕಮ್
ನಿಜ
ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗಾರ್ಸಿನಿಯಾ ಇಂಡಿಕಾ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ರಿ ಸಿಪ್ಪಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಮೈ ಬಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಕಮ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ IAHR. I drink all this daily. But many people do not know this technology. Post-harvest technology illa. Gottilla avrige. Therefore, you have to actually spread the technology through this mobiles, YouTube, internet, download the files and all that. So, direct marketing also occurred. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ನಾಗೆ ಅನಾನಸ್ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಾಗೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಸರ್? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಯೋ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹರಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹತ್ರನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಸರ್. ನಾನು DD ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗವ್ರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕಿನವರು, ರೋಣನವರು. ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, they started using all these mobiles and putting it on WhatsApp message post corona. See here, and they are also telling the rate, mobile number of farmer. Chikbalapuralli is not a carrot young belitare anta, in which village, where to pick up. He is one Mr. Contact person, Nagraj. All these are going on. Nobody will bring carrot and sell on the road. Yavanu Opcoms nalle marbaku anta enaru rule aita? Emana rule unda andi? Meer akkade Gudimalkapur daggara vachi ammalane emana rule unda? డైరెక్ట్ మార్కెటింగ్ చేయకూడదా? చెప్పురి, డైరెక్ట్ మార్కెటింగ్ చేస్తేనే లాభం ఎక్కువ, లేకపోతే ఈ దళాలన్నీ వచ్చి అన్ని మింగేస్తురు. కరెక్టా అండి శిరీష గారు? నా తెలుగు ఓకేనా? చెప్పురి శిరీష మేడం.
యా సార్, ఓకే సార్.
నా తెలుగు అది కొద్ది తెలంగాణ స్లాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. అదే వీళ్ళు ఈ దళాలు ఎందుకు మింగాలి, వీళ్ళే మింగుకుంటే అయిపోలా. సో అందుకే కొద్ది డైరెక్ట్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎఫర్ట్లో కూడా ఇది పనికి వస్తుంది. So now we will quickly go. Similarly, product like papaya, phone number, mobile number, in which place it is available, organic or inorganic, every description is made. So people keep use. Ayyo illi nodri, illi sakatagiತ್ತು ಕಂಚನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡ್ಲ ತೇಣಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ನಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ಲಾಂತಸ್ ಅಫಿಷಿನಾಲಿಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಂಬ್ಲಿಕಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಶಿವು?
ನೆಲನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್
ಅದು ಇದು ಕಿರ್ನಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಪಿಲಾಂತಸ್ ಅಪಿಸಿನಾಲಿಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ರೋಸ್ಗಳು. ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ BPD, ಇವನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಟರ್ಮರಿಕ್ ರಾ, nobody will take, man. So what they did in post corona and in the direct marketing, they converted into turmeric powder. And then they advertised, they started packing in 100 grams. Lot of sales. Then afterwards, nama mango, IAHR has come out with a mango harvester. Okay. And then, why we use this harvester? This also we told them. Because during Corona, we could not go. We used our mobile extension and we told them, ಈಗ ಪೆಡಿಸಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೊಳ್ತೋಗಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ ಮಾವನಣ್ಣು? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಶಿವು.
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್, ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಅದು ಶೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಉಂಟು.
ಹೌದು. ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ mango should be harvested with 2 to 3 centimeter of the pedicel. Many people don't know, how they harvest. They are shaking the tree and all the fruits will fall down. ತೂತ್ತೇರಿಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಅಸಹ್ಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಹೌದು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ತವೆ. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮಾಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಅದು ಹಣ್ಣೆ ಆಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇವುಗಳೇ ಹಂಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜಿ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ, ಸ್ಪಂಜು ಅಂಗಾಂಶ ತಪ್ಪಿಸುವುದು. ಈಗ all of you should know, because you are all basic horticulture people. I am actually basically a BSc AG fellow. I am not horticulture fellow, but I am a horticulture scientist now. See, now if you don't have the mango harvested along with the pedicel of 1 to 2 centimeter, अगर 1-2 सेंटीमीटर की वो पेडिसिल के बिना आप हार्वेस्ट करते हो तो स्पांजी टिश्यू आती है, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜಿ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾನ್ಸೋ. ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಶಿವು?
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್, ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಪೆಡಿಸಿಲ್. See, all these things we cannot go on telling every farmer. Many YouTube videos are there. We have put it on WhatsApp. Okay, and people should be using all these E-platforms, M-platforms for getting knowledge and doing marketing. That is the issue here. Okay, now, this is one person had told, I'm having a lot of flowers. Okay, 300 kgs. Can you do it to Delhi? Mangalore in the Prithvi Das and Tobrakanditru. Kiran flowers, how to do it. So suddenly what we did, we gave them one mobile number. Immediately he has thanked. Thank you for your reference, madam. We got a maiden order of 100 bunches for Monday. So itara direct marketing also it helps. So lockdown did not affect horticulture and agriculture. Please be very proud about this, gentlemen. So it has not affected. Now, see, look at this. Rose Bazaar is another app. These two twin girls. So they have a Rose Bazaar app, and they are actually a startup. And they sell all these roses. Door delivery at a very nominal rate. See, what is oka mukka meeru gulab pool తీసుకోవాలంటే ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 12 రూపాయల వరకు ఉంటుంది కదా శిరీష మేడం? 12 ఉంటుందా
సార్?
ఇప్పుడు ఒక గులాబీ పూలు తీసుకోవాలంటే మేలీపట్నం దగ్గర ఒక ముక్కకి ఒక స్టిక్ కి 12 రూపీస్ ఉండదు రేటు?
ఉంటుంది సార్.
సో these girls are with a super value chain and supply chain. They are supplying at 6 rupees at home. So that means that's an efficient thing. So many times direct marketing it helps. So please do all these things. Okay, Cohere Farms fig marketing also they started doing. Everywhere they have used all the apps I told you, Arka Bagwani, Arka Vyapar, India Mart, okay, Big Basket, okay, Big Bazaar. So many apps are there, you name it, we have it. So this is another example. And then avocado also I told you. Avocado, the only problem is, it is plenty available in our Gonikoppal KVK. ಶಿವು, ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಗೋಣಿಕೊಪ್ಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಸರ್? ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟೂರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಂಗ ಇದ್ರು ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಹಿರೇಹಳ್ಳಿನಾಗ ಒಂದು KVK ಮಡಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದ ನಮ್ಮ IH ಹಿರೇಹಳ್ಳಿ ತುಮಕೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ದಾರಿನಾಗೆ
ಹೈವೇನಾಗ ಐತ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದೌದು. ಸಿ ಅವರ್ ಸಿದ್ದು ಜಾಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವೇ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಹೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜಾಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್. Then avocado in Gonikoppal, high value avocado, but you don't have the process technology. Where is the processing technology? So if some processing technology is there, you have to share. This is on how to see. For example, many people do not know how to store our ಸೀತಾಫಲ ಅರ್ಕಾ ಸಹನ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್. ಶಿವ ಅಲ್ಲರಿ, ಈಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀತಾಫಲ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲರಿ. ಈಗ ಶಿರೀಷನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ. శిరీష మేడం, ఇప్పుడు ఈ సీతాఫల్ జ్యూస్ చేస్తాడు కదా కోటిలో, సీతాఫల్ మిల్క్ షేక్.
ఓకే సార్.
అది ఎలా, ఇది ఆ గింజలు ఎలా తీస్తాడండి ఆయన? హౌ డస్ హి రిమూవ్ ద సీడ్?
దట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో సార్.
అయ్యో, దానికి ఒక మెష్ లాగా ఉంటది. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, ఇప్పుడు మిక్సీలో విప్పర్ ఉంటది కదండి, విప్పర్ మిక్సీలా.
ఓకే.
ఈ మజ్జిగ చేస్తాం చూడండి.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఆ విప్పర్ లో పెడితే ఏమైతుంది, సెంట్రిఫ్యూగల్ ఫోర్స్ కి ఆ గింజలు దాన్ని ఆ పైన పల్ప్ బయట వస్తుంది. Did you understand? So
yeah.
They do Sitafal milkshake. So this technology I am telling you by mouth. You search in our internet and all that, whether how to make Sitafal milkshake, whether it is there. I will challenge. I will give 100 rupees. It is not there. Henry Shivu, ಇದು ಸೀತಾಫಲ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಶೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ನಾಗೆ? ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಆಂಪನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಐತೆ. ಈಗ ಆಂಪನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೈತೆ. ಈಗ ಸೀತಾಫಲ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಐತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುತ್ತರಿ FPO developed by Kariyappa. So many people, watermelon. So they also take all this e-marketing platform to do survey, to analyze. Okay, even mangoes also nowadays direct. ಈಗ mango.com ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಸೈಟ್ ಅದು? ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಲ ಶಿವು.
ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು.
See, our Karnataka Horticulture Department has come out with a mango board. So simply you said mango board karnataka.com or whatever. You will open it, do online registration, order Alfonso, Kesar Alfonso, Sindura, Mallika, Amrapali, Arka, Udiya, it will come to your house. So that is how people do, and it is available in multiples of 3 kg, 5 kg. Mango mela ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. So B2C to B2B. B2B ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? You can sell business to business. You can sell it directly to Opcoms, Big Bazaar, or you can sell it to even hostels, schools, factories. B2C, directly farmer to customer. C and the customer. Okay, we can also do it. IHR offers help to mango growers in direct marketing and value addition. I told you we made an app. Okay, then post-harvest innovation. See, many times, you'll not really see when lockdown occurred, what happened? All this fresh ash gourd అంటే అది తెలుగులో ఏమంటారప్పా? అదేమది శిరీషాజీ, యాష్ గోల్డ్ ఏమంటారండి అదే తెలుగులో?
Sir, that is called as Sorakaya or Anapkaya.
సొరకాయ కాదు, సొరకాయ ఈజ్ బాటిల్ గోల్డ్. అది ఇది
బూడిద గుమ్మడికాయ
సార్.
గుమ్మడికాయ సార్.
గుమ్మడికాయ
బూడిద గుమ్మడికాయ
called as pumpkin, right?
కరెక్ట్. గుమ్మడి ఒక యాక్టర్ ఉండేవారు గుమ్మడి అని. కరెక్ట్. బూదు గుమ్మడికాయ అంటారు, గుమ్మడికాయ. కరెక్ట్. See, ash gourd, when it is more, they made it peta, and they started selling. So ఇటువంటి ఒక చిన్న వాల్యూ అడిషన్ చేయడానికి ఏంటంటే ప్రాబ్లము చెప్పురి మాధవీజీ. ఇప్పుడు వై అవర్ ఫార్మర్స్ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డూ వాల్యూ అడిషన్ లైక్ దిస్? ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್
ಸರ್,
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೈತರು ಈ ತರ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟಾಣಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಲಿ ಫಿಗ್ ಬಹಳ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 926 ಹೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಐತೆ ಸರ್. ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟನ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 10,780 ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟನ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸರಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಫಿಗ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡ್ರೈ ಫಿಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಿಗ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಫಿಗ್ ಇಂದು
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See, what my friend Shivaprasad, who works at Ballari, is telling is, during lockdown, lot of innovations came. See, they made fig jam, fig pickle, then fig, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಶಿವ?
ಫಿಗ್ ರೋಲು, ಡ್ರೈ ಫಿಗ್.
Fig roll. So all those things are done. So what I am saying is, by using this mobile and e-platform and in the horticulture sector, you have to come out with innovations. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀ ನಾನು గుమ్మడికాయ అమ్ముతానంటే ఎవరు తీసుకుంటారు? దాని ఏమైనా ఒక వాల్యూ అడిషన్ చెయ్యురి. ఓకే, దాన్ని ఏమైనా స్వీటో పేటానో ఏదైనా చెయ్యండి. సో ఈ ప్రాసెసింగ్ సెక్టర్ కొద్ది లిమిటేషన్గా ఉన్నది. సో ది ప్రాసెసింగ్ सेक्टर इन हार्टिकल्चर इज द लिमिटेशन मेरे प्यारे ओडिया के भाई और बहनों, और कृपया आप इसके पुष्टि दे, जोर दे, और ढेर सारे बागवानी के उत्पादक और उत्पन्न को आप समर्थन और बढ़ोतरी दे, और इसी दिशा में आपकी नवकल्पना, इनोवेशन और नवीनता को आप प्रकट करें, और इससे ही आमदनी किसान की बढ़ सकती है. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋರಖ್ಪುರದ ಟೆರಕೋಟಾ ಕಡಲ್ ಮಿಠಾಯಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೈಸ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಣ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಕನಕಾಂಬರ ಕೂಡ ಮಾರಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, ಹಾವೇರಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾನ್ಸೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾನ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, it comes in boxes of 5 kg, like that they would also done. Then organic, inorganic. ಅಲ್ಲ ಶಿವು, ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ
ಸರ್? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆದವು ಇರ್ತವೆ ಸರ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ಮರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ,
ಅವರು ಏನೋ ಕರ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ನಾವಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅದು 3 ವರ್ಷ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅದು ಇದಾಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
See, what my friend Shiva Prasad is saying is, he works at Ballari, he is a ADH. He says organic certification is done only by APIDA, and minimum 3 years you have to do organic farming, and it is a big, many will not cheat, but premium prices are not acquired. ಏನ್ರಿ ಶಿವ, ಈಗ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ಬರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ,
ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ.
Yes, what Shiva Prasad is saying is, it is very difficult to identify an organic product with inorganic product of any fruits or vegetable. Therefore, the sale is not picking up. See, recently Sri Lanka was doomed because bari organic ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಹೂವನ್ನೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಹೊಡೀರಿ, ಸೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಶಿವು, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮೋಸ. ಇದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಪಿಡಾ ಇಂದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನು ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅದು ನಿಜಾನೇ.
ಸೊ
ಯಾರೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಕೆಲವರು. ಈಗ ಕಾಮನ್, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೇನು ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ನಾವೇನಿದ್ರು 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ನೋಡೋರ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು. అలా ప్రియ మిత్రులారా, నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఆర్గానిక్ ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ అంత తేడా మనకు కనపడలేదు కదా ఇప్పుడు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఆర్గానిక్ ఆ తేడా లేనప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ధర ఎందుకు ఎలా ఇస్తాడు? అది నేను చెప్పేది. ఆర్గానిక్ ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ తేడా లేనప్పుడు, తేడా కనపడలేనప్పుడు, సో ఇప్పుడు ధరలు వస్తుంది అని మనం గ్యారంటీ చెప్పలేము. ఎనీవే, direct sales system, it will help. Okay, e-marketing, m-marketing, so building the customer value. So how to the next issue is how to make this capacity building, how to train farmers. ಶಿವು, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈತರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇದೆಯವಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್? ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು? ಈಗ ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟು ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನೀಗ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗಿಂದ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈಗ ಲಾಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಂತ, ಈ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವನ್ ನಾವು ಸಂಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು 7 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕೂತಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ವೈಸ್, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಸರ್, ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ. ನೀವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಆತರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪಪ್ಪಾಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಹಡಗಲಿಯಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಈ ಚೆನ್ನೈ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದೀವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್.
Very quickly translating what Shiv Prakash told. See, in Karnataka there was a government order by the horticulture department, and each and every ADH and horticulture officer are given mobiles and a list of buyers and sellers, and they were actually in the initial days of training, they were contacting farmers, and many such direct selling and buying has taken place. And this is how, along with the capacity building and training the farmers, they also promote direct marketing. This our people should be made aware of. Thank you. So now we'll quickly go ahead. So there is a lot of agri infrastructure fund, so it can also be used for strengthening the e-marketing issues in horticulture sector. Okay, then micro food enterprises. You see, this is one of our Karnataka ladies. She has packed all the materials. Okay, marginal micros and small enterprises, MSME, micro small. See, look at the smile on this lady's face. See, when everybody gets income, they will smile. See, otherwise simply you make them sell all these things on the road and distress sale and no organized marketing, no mobile, no internet, no who will buy. So therefore these are all some of the things. So even in fishery it was done. So there are a lot of other programs, herbal cultivation. Okay, we have been using in the Atmanirbhar scheme. Lot of money is also given to the National Medicinal Plant Board. Okay, then beekeeping. See, recently I saw Shiva Prasad. Iga Amulnoro, they have come out with 4 different types of honey. They are going to compete with Patanjali honey. Or ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, mustard flower, ajwain flower. So honey made by different plants. So the flavor of the honey will be different. Although all are Apis dorsata, Apis this one Floria ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So they will, the taste of the honey will be different. So this sort of marketing. ಈಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, ಆನಿಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ better marketing with all this. Even this lady who is laughing here may have a mobile phone. Why don't you contact? No need to do any personal visit. If something cannot be done through mobile, then only for the delivery of fruits and vegetables you have to do personal. That you cannot do virtual. Otherwise that also would have sent it by email. What do you say? So therefore, friends, don't use personal visit, very costly. And see, simply look at all our tomato growers. They are waiting in the mandi. When lot of arrivals ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಶಿವ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಗ್ಲಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಫ್.
See, please, now the arrival, this is, let us say in Chowtuppal mandi, lot of arrivals will be there. What will happen when arrivals are more? Prices will crash. Therefore, we have to stagger the arrivals and stagger the harvesting. This is one of the techniques. ಏನಂತೀರಿ ಶಿವ?
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್, ನಿಜ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಟ್ಗಳು ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಲೂ ಅದೇ ಸರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಯರ್ ಬೈ ಇಯರ್ ಒಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು 5-6 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ.
ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಲಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೋದ್ ಸರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಗಿ ಸರ್ ರೆಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಸರಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 80,000 ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೈತೆ ಸರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ ರೇಟ್? ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ರೇಟು
ಸರ್? ಈಗ ಮೊದಲು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಅವರೇಜ್ ರೇಟ್ 14,000-15,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 3-4,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ ಸರ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ 2017-18 ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಈ ತರ ಗ್ಲಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
50,000 ಬರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕೆಜಿ ಚೀಲ ಬರೀ 60-70 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. 20 ಕೆಜಿ ಹಸಿಮೆಣಸಿನ ಚೀಲನ ಬರೀ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇವರು ఇప్పుడు శిరీష మేడం, నేను ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. మా సహోద్యోగులు ఏమి ఇక్కడ చర్చ చేస్తున్నారంటే, ఇప్పుడు క్రాప్ జోనింగ్, క్రాప్ కాలనీస్ లేని వల్ల వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, అందరూ చిల్లీస్ పెడుతురు, అందరూ టమాటోస్ పెడుతురు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒడోప్ వచ్చింది కదా, 1 district 1 product. ఇది లాగు చేయాలంటే అది బాగానే ఉంటుంది, గ్లట్ అవ్వదు. ఇప్పుడు హార్టికల్చర్లో ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే విపరీతమైన ప్రొడక్షన్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ మధ్యలో వాళ్ళు బళ్ళారిలో ఏదో ఒకప్పుడు 50,000 దొరికిందంట ఒక టన్కి. సో అందుకే అందరూ ఇప్పుడు సమ్ 80 lakh hectares సో మచ్ దే పుట్. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ప్రొడక్షన్ అయితే గ్లట్ అవ్వదా మరి చెప్పండి? సో అవుతుంది, గ్లట్ అవుతుంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ we should use crop zoning and crop colonies, and then use effectively all the internet data and other things to do it. So this is how people are doing. Ippudu APMC horticultural, what is the status? Can anybody tell me? Shivu
sir, actually horticulture ಈಗ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ರಿಟೈಲರ್ಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಇವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ, ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಈಗ APMC ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ಬಂದದೆ?
ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, APMC ಐತಾ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನಾಗೆ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್, ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ APMC, anyway now APMC is not abolished, but the new farm law says that it's all about direct marketing. Farm bills 2020 September ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್, ಯು ಡೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಲಿಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ FPOs, you link with processor, you do all those things. By sitting in the house you can do it. You need not run from pillar to post. Only thing is you have to operate your mobile for about 8 to 10 hours, you will get all that. And establish efficient supply chain, operational efficiency, market efficiency matter. So anyway, produce, price and quality also can be enhanced by using this. Social media integration is required, right from WhatsApp, Twitter, ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. Now, see, Karnataka State Small Industries Development Corporation are also giving a lot of lands, then go downs, things like that. During Trump period and now Biden period, there is also a lot of American involvement. They are asking you to export. So, agri startups, Raftar. So, many startups, ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, we say that startups stand up, smart up. Okay, we say agri incubator and agri accelerator. We use these words. దీంతో ఏంటంటే, మనము ఒక ఉద్యాన పంట ఉత్పాదనని మనము ఒక ఉద్యమగా తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక వాణిజ్య రీతిలో అంటే ఒక మారుకట్టడి, ఒక ధర వచ్చే ఆలోచనలో మనం తీసుకోవాలి. వట్టి మనం టమాటో పండిస్తాను అక్కడ విసురుతానంటే మీకు ధరలు రావు, మీకు ఏదీ రావు. So therefore, linkage mechanism using e-marketing strategies and e-horticulture is the utmost important. Manage lo kuda chala training undi. Manage lo oka FPO academy ani chesiru. Ante farmer producer organizations ni vallu utteja parusturu, vallu pushti isturu. Sarena? Now, big basket, we have already told you how it works. Dry tomatoes, ఇప్పుడు టొమాటో డిహైడ్రేటర్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. శిరీష మేడం, ఇది చాలా మందికి తెలుసో తెలీదో ಏನ್ರಿ ಶಿವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ನೋಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು IAHR ಬರ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು. ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಗ್ಲಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ಚರ್ಮ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. See, I don't know whether you know about tomato dehydrator. This is one technology which we have developed. So they will remove all the water content and the tomato will become very rubbery. You can store it for longer period. You can use it as a substitute for tomatoes and all that. You have not seen, I am telling you. Then ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೆ, see, people when they did e-marketing, they started packing the vegetables, all half kg. So a house wants, let us say, 10 vegetables, half kg each. So 5 kg pack, 600 rupees. So either they are also selling this. This is another branding, add-on pack for fruits. Then good mangoes. Fine. So now they are, then technology for vending. Okay, this is our it is a solar powered vegetable vending van, and IAHR has also developed this van, and we have Arca tricycle, okay, which is developed. So you can use, demand falls, innovation rises. See, now there are hundreds and one ways after the mobiles have come, the unconventional supply chains are at its peak. So therefore, using the mobile platforms, you can use this. Farmer is respected, middleman is sidelined. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವನು ಮಧ್ಯವರ್ತಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಶಿವ? ಮಧ್ಯವರ್ತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೆಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಾಗ ಹವಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಹವಾ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಯ್ತು. FPOs, we also market to the FPOs. Okay, then dried flowers. ಅಲ್ರಿ ಶಿವು, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಈ ರೋಜಾ ಹೂವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏರ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೂವ, ಏನ್ ಶಿವು? See, all the dried flowers, ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ
ಸರ್
ಹೂ ಏರ್ಸಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಸ ಅಂತ ಎಸಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಆ ತರ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ. IHR ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಿಕ್ಷನ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ICT ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ friends, I think it is getting 1:15 by my watch, and there are so many e-platforms, e-Krishi Vipanan antide, e-Gram, Gramin Gyan Kendra, so many. Gyan Doot ಬಹಳ ಹಳೆಯದು, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2000ದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಸೋಯಾಬೀನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಕಾಶ್ ಗಂಗಾ, ಈ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಈ ಚೌಪಾಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿ, ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅದೇ, ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಾಲ್ಬಾಗಿಂದನೂ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಾಡವ್ರೆ, ಏನ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಅದ್ರಾಗೂ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ, ಒಂದು ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡವ್ರೆ.
ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಏನದು?
ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸರ್, ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್.
ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
SAP ಸರ್, ಸ್ಯಾಪ್.
ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ರೂರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಟಾಕ್? నార్మలీ దే సే, అలా శివు, ఐ వాంట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ టు డిస్కస్. శిరీష గారు మీరు డిస్కషన్లో రావాలి. ఇది లాస్ట్ స్లైడ్. ₹1 మనము అమ్మితే రైతులకి వాట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ది రూపీ హీ షుడ్ గెట్? కెన్ ఎనీబడి టెల్ మీ సర్? వేణుగోపాల్, मोनालिसा, पाटी जी, गंजाम का AHO मैडम जी, मैडम मोनालिसा जी नहीं है क्या? हालप्पा ಶಿವು, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ₹1 ರೈತಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೈಸೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಅಂತೀವಿ.
हेलो सर.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब?
सर कुबेर रेड्डी फ्रॉम धारवाड़ सर, कर्नाटक.
ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ನಾನ್ ರೀ, ಜೈರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ. ನಾನು ಧಾರವಾಡದವನು. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕುಬೇರ್ ಅಂತ ನಂದು. VK ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕುಬೇರ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಹೆಸರು.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕುಬೇರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ₹1 ರೈತಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು?
ಸರ್, he has to get 70% in and around.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಆಲ್ ಕುಬೇರಪ್ಪ, ಒಂಚೂರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂದ್ರಿ? ಕುಬೇರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ನೀಲಣ್ಣವ್ರ.
ಕುಬೇರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಎನ್ ನೀಲಣ್ಣವರ್.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು
ಸರ್.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕುಬೇರ್
AHO ಸರ್.
ಏನಂದ್ರಿ?
I have a 23 years experience in production, processing, export and value addition and consultancy, and as a officer since 10 years.
ಓ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕುಬೇರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ, ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ ಊರ್ರಿ? ನಮ್ದು ಅಣ್ಣಿಗೇರಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬಾಲೆಹೊಸೂರು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಊರು. ನಿಮ್ದು ಊರು ಯಾವ್ದು?
ನಮ್ದು ಅಣ್ಣಿಗೇರಿ ಹತ್ರ ನೀಲ್ಗುಂದದ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕಲ್ಲೂರು ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಬಾಲೆಹೊಸೂರು, ಅಣ್ಣಿಗೇರಿ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನವರು ಈ ಕುಬೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಮೆ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿನ್, ನಾನು ಕುಬೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವನ್ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೀಪ್ ಕುಬೇರಪ್ಪ, ಉಸ್ನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕುಬೇರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ ಕುಬೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈ ಅಣ್ಣಿಗೇರಿ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಇರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಎನಿವೇ,
ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು.
ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೀಲಣ್ಣನ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಗೆಟ್ 70 paise and more as the consumer share of the rupee, then we say it is a very good horticulture marketing. What do you say? శిరీష గారు మీరేమంటారు? ఇప్పుడు ఈ తాత్పర్యం ఏంటంటే, ఇది 70 అంటే ఏంటి, 70 పైసల, 70 పైస కన్నా ఎక్కువ రావాలంట. అప్పుడే అది మస్తు మార్కెటింగ్ అంటారు. ఏమంటారు మేడం? శిరీషాజీ చెప్పండి.
అంటే
శిరీష, ఇప్పుడు మా మాటలు ఏంటంటే, మీరు ICT అయినా యూజ్ చేయండి, ఫార్మ్ అండ్ హోమ్ విజిట్ చేయండి, మీరు కావాలంటే ఏ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ టెక్నిక్ అయినా యూజ్ చేయండి, మాకేం అది ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. కానీ ధరలు మాత్రము ₹1 మనం అమ్మితే ఓకే 70 పైసా అండ్ అబౌవ్ రావాలంట, ఏది రైతులకి, అప్పుడే అది బెస్ట్ మార్కెటింగ్ అంటారు. మీరేమంటారు?
ఓకే సార్, అంటే బెనిఫిట్ డెఫినెట్ గా ఉండాలి. దే షుడ్ నాట్ గెట్ లాస్.
కరెక్ట్.
వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ వాళ్ళకి ఉంటే అది ప్రాఫిట్ అన్నట్టు.
కరెక్ట్. ఇప్పుడు నౌ వాట్ హ్యాస్ హ్యాపెండ్ నౌ ఇస్ अभी किसान को 70% ಬರುತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಶಿವು
ಸರ್
ರೈತಂಗೆ 70 ಪೈಸಾ ಬರುತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ನಮ್ ಕುಬೇರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ?
ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್
70 ಪೈಸಾ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೇಬರ್ ಕೂಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 350-400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. 75% ಬರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೇಬರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
See, what I want you to understand is today a farmer is not getting 70 paisa as a consumer share. In spite of using all ICT 330 million tons, bloody we have got so much, but there is no value addition and no consumer share of the rupee. Everything the middleman and the aggregator and processor is taking. ಏನಂತೀರಾ ಶಿವು? ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ನೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೋತಾನೆ, ಏನಂತೀರಪ್ಪ?
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್, ನಿಜ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಸಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು 1 kgಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಓಲೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 1 kg ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಸಾಸು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಪೈಸಾ ರೈತಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನಟ್ಟೆ, ಏನಂತೀರಾ?
105 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನಟ್ಟೆ, ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯ್ತಾನಟ್ಟೆ. सो मेरे प्रिय मित्र, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि बागवानी के प्रसंस्करण करने में ओके प्रोसेसिंग में बहुत पैसा है और किसान को 70 पैसा नहीं मिलेगी. मान लो कि एक किलो का टमाटो सॉस 150 रुपीज बिकती है. 150 रुपीज इंटू 70 कितना हुआ भाई? 70 प्लस अनदर 25. Whether he will get 95 rupees for his tomato production share? No, he won't get 95 rupees. So that is the paradoxical situation, and the producer share in horticulture should increase with all ICT and other things. So with this, I sincerely thank Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, our director of EEI. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu nenu adiganani cheppamma Sirisha madam, he is my very good friend. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and me, we were, oh sir ikkade unnaru sir.
Yes sir.
జగన్ సార్
నమస్తే.
అలా నేను తలుచుకున్నాను, అయ్యో ఇప్పుడు సార్ భయపడ్డారు, మీరు దర్శనం, చాలా సంతోషం. సో
సార్ నైస్ టు హియర్ యు సార్.
అలా నాకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది, ఇది మా జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డినే గారు కదా, అది ఎన్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు. ఒకసారి ఇంటికి కూడా వచ్చాను, మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో.
వచ్చారు మీరు.
అదే పేపర్స్ అన్ని పట్టుకొని అదేమో కరెక్షన్.
అవునవును సార్, అవును. వచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అదే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు, బీ ఇన్ ది లైన్ 5 minutes సార్. ఇప్పుడు యూ షుడ్ ఆల్సో ఇంటరాక్ట్ బికాజ్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్సో మై కో టీచర్. ఇప్పుడు సార్, ఉద్యాన పంట రైతైనా మామూలు రైతైనా 70 పైసా ఆయనకి రాకపోతే ఇంత ఐసిటి, ఇంత 330 million tons, ఇన్ని సో మెనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ అసమర్థత అని నేను అంటాను. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ఐ సే దేర్ ఫోర్ ఈ కన్క్లూజన్ ఏంటంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ఇట్ సో దట్ అట్లీస్ట్ హీ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ 70 పైసా. కన్స్యూమర్ షేర్ ఆఫ్ రూపీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. ఇది వెరీ, ఇప్పుడు మనం క్లాస్లో కూడా వీ హావ్ బీన్ డిస్కసింగ్ దిస్ అట్ లెంత్. ఇప్పుడు 70 పైసా రాదు, హీఈస్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ గెటింగ్ 30 పైసా. మీరు ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయండి, సో మెనీ ఎస్టిమేట్స్. ఇప్పుడు మా ఎకానమిస్ట్ పెట్టిరు 30 పైసా కూడా వచ్చేది కష్టంగా ఉంది. ప్రొడక్షన్ ఈజ్ మోర్, ప్రాసెసింగ్ లేదు. ఇక్కడ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ప్రాసెసింగ్ ఇన్ హార్టికల్చర్, తక్కువ, వెరీ లెస్. సో మీ అభిప్రాయం చెప్పండి సార్, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ద లాస్ట్ క్లాసు.
డెఫినెట్లీ సార్, బికాజ్ హార్టికల్చర్ products are basically perishable.
అవును.
So we cannot keep for a long time at the farmer's field level. More so, if we don't have enough warehouses or the cold storages are required, especially to keep the even value-added products also. There is no sufficient infrastructure to go for the value addition, especially for the horticulture products. And that too, because of paucity of all these inbuilt problems, we could not able to give enough share to the consumers' price to the farmers. So that's what we talk about the farm to fork. The culture of farm to fork should come, sir. The consumers should go directly to the farmer's field. A day should come wherein farmers should directly reach the consumer, bypassing all these intermediaries and dalari system, everything. But unfortunately, what is happening is, in case like with other service sector, manufacturing sector, our agriculture is also passing the same line of marketing. That's not possible in agriculture. Retailers, sub-retailers, that doesn't serve the purpose of giving enough share of consumers' price to the farmers' produce. So that's why that kind of farm to fork culture should materialize and should operationalize. For that, the FPO culture has come, farmers, producers, organizations, and e-trading, e-marketing, and even digital marketing. So in this way, we have to enlighten the farmers to go for, it's not only you should act as a producer, you should become a challenging marketer also. You should able to market his produce directly to the consumer. For that, we have to have the sufficient infrastructure at farm level, at least for primary grading, primary processing, and secondary and tertiary processing, and of course the value addition at the level, at the highest level. At the value addition, of course, the government support is required. A high-end infrastructure is required. If you look at Thailand, even though it is a very, the geography of Thailand is equal to one Telangana state of our country, but it is the highest exporter of value-added products in the world. You can imagine. Now their revenue, their second revenue is, first revenue is tourism, the second revenue for their exchequer is from the value-added products of this horticulture and agricultural products. It's astonishing. So a country like us, which has fed the mouths of many of the people in the world, but we could not able to think about the value addition. Still we are looking at how to give enough consumers price share to the farmers produce. That's the one thing, sir, I would like to.
Thank you very much, sir. Lastly, I'm just summing up what Dr. Jagan Mohan Reddy just told, and even my opinion is also the same. See, we have 330 million metric tons of horticulture production. We have 300 million tons of agriculture production with just last year, 2021. In spite of this, we are unable to double the farmer's income, what everybody is saying. That is because of lack of processing, lack of transferring the consumer share of the rupee. At least 70 paise should go to him. This is what we discussed. So by using all the ICT, the e-platform, the mobile extension platform, and so on and so forth, our fundamental aim is to be to transfer the 70% of the profits to the farmer, not by giving subsidies, but by the process of GDP and value addition as an automatic process. See, farmer need not come and ask, sir, you give me 70 paisa. Why he will ask? You have to develop your business model, your government structures and policies in such a way that 70 paisa should go to the farmer. Every time don't make the farmer come on the road and ఆయన సమ్మెకి కూర్చోవలసిందిగా నువ్వు ప్రేరేపించకు. So this is what we say, don't instigate the farmer to come and sit on the road and throw the tomatoes on the road and all. It's a very awkward scene. Such a big country with double-digit GDPs and with a record production, milk #1, and horticulture we are #2 in the world. But you don't know how to do value addition. That means we have not used our extension techniques and our ICT and E and M extension effectively. So I wish thanking Jagan Mohan Reddy sir again for inviting me to this lecture, and thanking Shirish.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we wish that we continue this interaction. My mobile number is there. My WhatsApp number is, please all of you note down, 944 00 34845. Dr. Sirisha will hand over this number to all the people. They can touch me in WhatsApp and we'll already be in touch. So even Dr. Jagan sir, myself, we all will be communicating. See, everybody is also thinking of the same thing. How to transfer this profits. So I hope that this training was useful to me, I can say, more than to you. It was an opportunity to interact with all the stakeholders, the line departments of horticulture, especially from Karnataka, which is really leading in many of the horticulture technologies. And IHR also is situated here.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, namaste.
Chapandi.
Sir, I have one, the implementing horticulture fresh produce. We have a one.
Adigandi, Chapandi. Chapandi, sir. Please tell, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Please
Hello.
tell. Yeah, continue. We are listening.
Regarding horticulture produce, the field consumer preference.
The consumer preference.
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ.
And against his requirement maybe minimum half kg. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir. You tell me. I'm listening to you. Yeah.
Minimum half kg and maximum whatever the quantity he wanted.
So what is the question? Why don't you pose the question?
Whose farming produce reach to me, and he can track back the consumer also which farm I got the produce this day, and also farmer he will be knowing to whom it has sold to my product. This system we have created here. Hello.
Yeah,
and in this way beginning it is very beginning it is a very tough time, because convincing the members and all. Once it is tracked like a milk consumption, then it is again against the demand only cultivation will start. It may take another 2-3 years or 5 years. Okay. Definitely it will come in the way.
Yeah, see what basically the Dr. Saab is discussing is the RFID technology, resonance frequency image detection. So suppose if a vegetable has come from Mehbubnagar district, from a particular village, we can track and say that that particular vegetable has come from this particular village. So that will help to keep track of both the pest, disease, marketing information and all that. Everything tagged to the single RFID tag. Yeah, that is what is being doing, and I hope it will convert into profits to the farmer. Thank you very much. I hope, more such efforts have to be done. And sincerely thanking EIA and again Jagan sir and others.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions you can ask? Any other questions? Yeah, Sirisha ji is on the line. Yeah.
No, sir. Actually, the session is very interactive, sir. I think no questions. I think if any questions means the participants and you can ask.
So in fact, when me and Jagan sir will take class in Samiti, the whole day we were doing the same job. So we will give them assignment. Of course, maybe in the next program we will also give some homework for these boys. So they should not simply come and hear and go. See, actually we should give them some small exercises. See, some brain teasing exercises. These fellows have to work. So we'll do it. Anyway, thank you, Sirisha ji, once again. So I'll be sending you the PPT as well as that form you sent. And I'm leaving the meeting. Thank you, Jagan sir. So nice of you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I leave the meeting.
Thank you so much.